Hello! Today we're going to look at ways that you can search for scholarship information on the O.J. Roberts School District website. You want to make sure you click on High School and go to the tab for the Guidance Department. When you click on that tab, you'll scroll down on the left-hand side underneath Guidance, and you will look for Scholarships and Financial Aid. Once you click on Scholarships and Financial Aid, you will see a list of scholarships that are available under current assignments and past due assignments. Current assignments include scholarships that are currently available for students to apply for. In the majority of situations, these are typically for students in the current 12th grade. In order to obtain information about each scholarship, you would click on the link for the scholarship. It'll explain to you the date assigned, when the due date is, how much the award is for, and who may apply. In this case, juniors and seniors may apply for this scholarship. If there's a link to the application and the site, you would simply click on that link, and that will take you to where you need to get the application information, and in many cases, you can apply directly from there. If you would also like, you can try other scholarships. This one is for a specific college. It explains to you that this scholarship is open to high school seniors who are applying to this college, and that it includes a full tuition award scholarship to Swarthmore College. On the past due side, you'll see scholarships that in all likelihood will become active this year. However, most scholarship information comes in bulk after the holiday break, somewhere between January and the month of May. It's important that students finish their college application process first, and then diligently start looking at this scholarship list. This scholarship list includes things from our local community, which are a little less competitive given that they are not necessarily national scholarships. One award that is available that many students look for is the Greater Pottstown Foundation Shandy Hill Scholarship. I'm looking for it now. It's usually in the lower part of the list as it comes out later in the school year. There are highlights. There are the Kelsey Kramer Scholarship, the Class of 1962 Memorial Scholarship. For example, that's one where there's an application that you actually have to fill out on paper, and that gets submitted to the guidance office. Those instructions will be on it. And other ones, as I mentioned, will be things you can apply for right online. So as the school year continues, you'll see through this list that there are scholarships. Here's the Shandy Hill that come up for our local community. This is a very large scholarship available only to O.J. Roberts, the Hill School, Pottsgrove, and Pottstown High School seniors. It's an essay, but students who receive the award can win a $30,000 scholarship for college. This click here button means it will give you the application information. So as the school year goes on, this current assignments list will get larger. This one will get smaller. These are the ones that you would currently apply for. Other ways to apply for scholarships would be through fastweb.com. That is another type of scholarship search website. If we scroll down, financial aid, there's also information on different types of financial aid, where to fill out the FAFSA. And if you look here for scholarships, the link to fastweb.com is on our website. Students simply fill out a survey of interests about what they want to do, things they've been doing, their interests, their hobbies. And once they fill this out, they will be able to receive free information for scholarship that they can apply for. Those scholarships do tend to be national, so sometimes they are more competitive. So contained within our scholarship section, as I mentioned, is all of this information about different ways to learn about financial aid, which includes federal financial aid, state aid, grants, loans, etc. And then our biggest place that we send kids besides our school district website would be fastweb.com. The other place to search would be through family members, employers, any types of community service or organization groups that families are part of, like the Lions Club, the Leo Club, the Ambucks Club. A lot of those organizations give scholarships out for students. So basically, continuing to ask questions of people you know to find out if they offer scholarships. Some faith-based group organizations like churches will give scholarships out as well. That's another good place for students to check. So if you have any other questions about scholarships, you can certainly contact your student's guidance counselor, but hopefully this has given you a basic and easy guide to how to navigate the scholarship information that we have on our website, and encouraging students to continually look at our scholarship list as it changes throughout the school year. Hope that is helpful, and happy searching. Thanks.